Naga Sadhus, the mystical warriors of Sanatan Dharma. Naga sadhus are ascetic Hindu monks who have renounced worldly life to dedicate themselves entirely to spiritual practice and self-discipline. They are primarily associated with the Shaivite tradition and are known for their intense penance, austere lifestyle, and deep devotion to Lord Shiva. The word Naga means naked, as most of them live without clothing, symbolizing their detachment from materialism and social conventions. The origins of Naga sadhus date back thousands of years. They are believed to be the spiritual warriors of Hinduism, protecting the faith against external threats. Historically, they played a significant role in defending temples and religious institutions from invaders, especially during medieval times. Their traditions are linked to the great Adi Shankaracharya, who, in the 8th century, organized Hindu ascetics into different sects, known as akras. These akras served as spiritual training centers where Naga sadhus were trained in both spiritual knowledge and martial arts. Naga sadhus lead an extreme ascetic lifestyle, involving celibacy. They renounce all material and physical desires. Nakedness, symbolizing their complete detachment from the material world. Severe penance, they endure extreme weather conditions without any protection. Austerity, living in caves, forests, or near river banks, sustaining themselves on minimal food. Intense meditation, they practice deep meditation and yoga to attain spiritual enlightenment. Smoking cannabis, bhang, some consume cannabis as part of their sadhana, spiritual practice, to aid meditation and detachment, as it is considered sacred in Shaivite tradition. The most well-known public appearance of Naga sadhus is during the Kumbh Mela, held every 12 years at 4 sacred locations, Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik. They lead the Shahi Snan, royal bath, where they are the first to take a dip in the holy rivers, signifying spiritual purification. The sight of thousands of ash-covered Naga sadhus rushing into the river is one of the most iconic moments of Kumbh Mela. Becoming a Naga sadhu, the rigorous journey to become a Naga sadhu, one must undergo a strict initiation process that can last up to 12 years. The path involves renouncing family ties and material possessions, training under an experienced guru within an akra, living a life of extreme austerity and discipline, performing sacred rituals and meditative practices, participating in rigorous physical and spiritual training. Only those who prove their dedication and endurance are formally initiated as Naga sadhus. Naga sadhus are regarded as the protectors of Sanatan Dharma. Their way of life exemplifies absolute renunciation, inner strength, and spiritual enlightenment. They remind the world of the power of detachment and devotion, inspiring seekers to transcend worldly attachments.